Skot from Cushie Audio. Just finished fitting the Grom USB3 and a Bluetooth dongle to this Subaru Liberty. It's got the McIntosh stereo. It's got the Subaru touchscreen, which I've cleverly hidden with my device. I've just turned the key on. It starts playing. Steering wheel controls work nice. Set a reminder to order more Grom kits for Subarus when I get home. Oh, I love location reminders. And then I just hit that. Siri goes away. Music starts playing again. I've just tucked the USB lead in here. It'll give you USB input. Show you a call coming through. Enjoy some power to finger while we're waiting. Alrighty, here comes that call. What are we going to do? Okay, I'm going to answer it. Obviously I've got the volumes turned down for that so I don't create a little feedback loop. And then I'm going to hang up. That's pretty clever, eh? Thanks.
I love technology.